What's up, guys? So today we're going to be replacing the intake on Project 4Banger. I got a cold air set up for it just to get it a little bit more power. This thing kind of needs all the help it can get, so we're just going to throw it on. So we're just going to take it all apart now. Alrighty, so install's done. It sounds neat when you rev it. It's kind of cool. I'm sure it'll help a little bit with a little bit more power, probably a little bit better fuel economy. So this is the rough country one. I would probably, based off the install, I would probably not recommend this one. It was missing a bunch of different bolts and nuts, like on here. They gave the wrong size for this. Yeah. Definitely, I mean, this will work for this Jeep. This was, I think, 150 bucks. I think all the other ones are around 300, 350. If I were to do it on my TJ, I'd probably spend a little bit more, get a little bit nicer quality one, just because the install was kind of so cruddy. But other than that, it looks fine. It's going to do its job on Project 4Banger. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. It helps me out a bunch, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.